Today, in this video, I'll be talking about how to construct a phylogenetic tree using Mega 11. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how you can make phylogenetic tree using online tool Phylogeny FR. I feel Phylogeny FR is more user-friendly and also very less time-consuming. But I have seen mostly papers prefer phylogenetic tree using software Mega. So we will go through step by step and you will find it's not that tough to make a tree using Mega. So without any delay, let's start. The first step is downloading Mega software. Just search megasoftware.net in Google. This is how Mega interface looks like. Now click on download option. Here you can see downloading has started. When the download is complete, install the software. Here you can see software has installed. Now next thing we need FASTA file. You can get it from EasyBioCloud or NCBI. Here I am showing how you can download a FASTA file from EasyBioCloud. You will find that your FASTA file is in mega file format. Now let's open this file and do some editing. Here is your query sequence. And after that, all of the sequences are from those bacteria which show 16S rRNA sequence similarity with your bacteria. One thing you will notice here, the FASTA file shows the bacterial name, accession number, similarity percentage and description of bacteria. Generally, people don't show similarity percent and description of bacteria in the phylogenetic tree. So just remove these things from each FASTA sequence. Generally, 20 to 25 sequences are enough to make a file, but it's up to you if you want to keep all those sequences. Now you are good to go. Now follow the steps with me. Click on Align. Click on Edit Build Alignment. Then create new alignment. Then OK. Then select DNA. Then go to Data. Then go to Open option. Then retrieve sequence. Then save the current file with .mas extension. Now open your FASTA file. Then select the whole sequence by pressing Ctrl A. Then go to alignment option above. Then align by cluster W. Then without changing these parameters, click OK. Wait for some time. It takes few minutes. Here you can see alignment has done. You can see two tabs are open. One is almost blank and other one is showing aligned FASTA file. So in Alignment Explorer, go to Data option. Click on Phylogeny Analysis. It is asking protein coding nucleotide sequence data. Then select No. Now you can see the other tab of Mega is showing one file. That file is alignment file. Now you come to this tab. Click on Phylogeny. Here you can see many options to construct a tree. Here I'll be showing neighbor joining tree. Click on it. Then don't change the parameters. Keep the bootstrap value 1000. Number of threads 4. Click on OK. Wait for tree to construct. Your phylogenetic tree is ready. Now you can change the layout, font, etc. This is up to you how you want to display your tree. You can download this file by clicking on Image option above and select the option in which you want to download. I have selected here PNG mode. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any doubt, you can mention it in the comment. Thanks for watching.